What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video is all about Coto movies. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to use it, how to save it as a bookmark for your TV shows, and etc. It's real easy to use. It's formerly known as Bobby Movie. If you remember Bobby's movie, it was pretty good. This is actually a step up, and it works a lot smoother. But let me stop talking and show you how it works. So we're gonna go into it. It pops up where you're gonna see movies off the bat. It has the, as you see, the thumbnails here of the movies, and actually when you scroll down, you can see the symbols of Bobby movies are still there, and it's pretty good. As in the interface, this is real easy to use. It has tons of movies. It has older movies like way back when, like from the 30s to now. The interface for the movie part is pretty good, I think. Now, the only thing I do kind of like bothers me is, you see how you got those three lines there? I don't know if you can see it, but it's really light when you go over it, like a really transparent cursor. That's the only downfall it does have, but you can see it on your television. On my video, you probably can't, but on your television, you can see it very light. And you probably got to adjust the brightness or the contents of it, whatever you want to say on your TV, see it better. But you hit the menu, and then usually you have your popular movies, your trending movies, your last updated movies, and you got your genre section, which it shows like all different like horrors, westerns, comedy, etc. Then you got your TV show section. And then it has all the other movies. When you click this into here, it actually comes up. I'll show you. It shows movies that haven't even came out yet. You know, it has Shazam. I believe that's part 3 of How to Train a Dragon. The new Top Gun, Gambit, the new X-Men, which I can't wait till that comes out. You got Dora, the New Mutants. As you see here, I mean, these are the new movies that are coming out that are not even out in theaters yet. But it kind of gives you an idea of what Hollywood is planning for us. It's pretty interesting. And then once you go down the list, you can see it says 2018. You have movies that are current and stuff and up to date. And it's pretty good. You know what I mean? Like, let me go into, I want to show you guys something. Go into that little thing here. And also you have your bookmark and then about the app. Now, for movies, let's go into the movie section. I'll just show you something real quick. I'll play it off. Let's go into, let me see, a movie that I know of. Actually, none of these movies I know. So, right here. This one right here. What you would do is you select the movie, click it, all right? And it gives you basically like a grade of how you can vote on it and stuff like that. You have right here, you see how it says, that's your link title. When you click into it, it's going to give you multiple links to choose from. And also, if you see on here, this is actually gives you a bunch of movies that kind of relate to this movie here. But anyways, you go into that bar right there. You click that. What it's going to do is find you links. Now, what's nice about Coto TV is if you're streaming it off your phone, you can actually find a link to cast it to a television set. That if it's if it has smart mirroring or mirroring feature or whatever. If you have a Samsung, it's like I think my Samsung is called Smart Mirror, Smart View. But yeah, you see here, you see how it says 720. That's a 720 quality, and it says cast. There is some links that are not castable. It'll say no cast, and it's real simple to use. All you would do, let me go back into this. There we go. You just select it there. See how it has also 1080? Let me go there again. The one thing I did notice, sometimes it jumps to the back selection. You just got to click up a couple times on your remote or left, and then you'll be able to click here. Let's go to 1080. Did it again. See how the back is moving? Just click left or up or down or up. Excuse me, I'm stuttering today so much. Just click up a couple times, left, and there you go. And it only does that when you see a thing come up. It's still in its like early stages. Let me see if I could get this going. We'll go up again. There we go. Go right there. Yeah, it's still in its early stages, so it's gonna have its little bugs. But as you see, it comes on right away. It's real quick. And all you have to do is hit the back button on the remote, and you get to that right there. Hit the X, back out of that. You know, it's pretty good. I used it a couple times. Me and my wife, we watched a couple good movies off of it. It works pretty good. Now, let me show you TV shows. Now, you go into your TV shows, okay? And let's say you want to, you know, you see what you want, and you're like, okay, I got into what I want. You have your season here. It shows the newest season. But if you want to see, well, I don't want to see the new season. I want to see a previous season. Usually they have them down here, okay? So you got what is this one? 24 hours. I think that's actually a first season. Let me find one for you guys that I know has multiple seasons. Let me see here. A lot of these shows I don't even know. Okay, that new Roseanne only has one season. Or better yet, I just go up to the search bar. Make it real easy. Okay, go to that search. All right, The Walking Dead. Give me 1 second. Yeah, what you do is you just hit the magnifying glass. You'll get a keyboard like this. You write the show that you want to watch. I wrote The Walking Dead. All right, I hit next. It's going to find all of The Walking Dead. Okay, so let's say you go to whatever season you watch, or the newest one. Okay, we'll go into season 9. We'll click. Oh, son of a gun. There we go. We'll click into season 9. There it goes. Now you have your episodes right here, and then it has all the seasons down here. Let's say you want to watch a previous season. They're pretty much all right here. Okay, and it also relates to like Fear of the Walking Dead and stuff like that. And now let's say you want to save it. Like you say, well, I want to bookmark it so that I could go back to it later. Instead of doing all this, I want to just straight up start the app and I could watch my new episode that just came out. Not a problem. You're going to go to this little thing here. This is actually a bookmark. Okay. Let me see if I could get it going. There you go. Like I said, in the video, it's not going to show really well, but on my natural view, you can see it on your TV. It highlights it. Now, you see how I dishighlight? It said remove from bookmark. You click it, it says added to bookmark. That's like favorite features. You know, it says add to favorite, etc. So now you just go to your menu, which, go back. Oop, I'll show you real quick. Go to your menu. Your menu is this little thing here, or this little right here. So you're going to go to that. Okay. Like I said, it's really transparent, so it's kind of hard to see. But anyways, you start your app up. You know your new show's on. You click bookmarks, and boom. There you go. You have it, and it comes up and everything. And it's real easy to pop the movie. You just, let's say, you want to watch that. It'll come up the streams. You choose the stream, and then it kicks right up. It's real straightforward and simple to use. There's other features here with like the genre. You click into it. As you see, animation for the kids, for some adults as well. Adventures, action, romance, horror flicks. Watch, I click into horror flicks. You get even the newest movies that haven't came out yet, to older movies, to that movie was crap. I didn't like it. I mean, some people did. I didn't like it. Truth or Dare. It was so blah. But you see here, this list goes down and down. So basically, that's how you use Coto movies. Real simple to use. I honestly like it as an alternative to Terrarium TV. It's pretty good. Let me know what you think about it. And if you feel that there's other APKs out there that can be better, let me know in the comments. I'll be interested to read them. All right, now let me show you how to get it. Real simple and real easy to do. If you have file link, just go into the file link and open it up and put my store, channels APK store, which is the code. I'll give it to you. But if you don't have a file link, the link is down below of how to get it, and it's real simple to do. But anyways, If you have it, just open it up and pops up. You're going to enter that code 645-39676. Real simple to use. Hit continue. And you're going to dismiss that. You're going to scroll down right there. It's in, it's on the top of the list. All you have to do at this point is hit download. You're going to highlight the little download button there. Let it load up. Once it loads up, you're going to see like that. You see how it changes into a play button? Just click it. And you're just going to install it. That simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it, the video. And if you did, please like, subscribe, and share the video. It'd be really appreciated. And also, if you do subscribe, please hit the bell button so when I do put out a video or updated video, you'll get a notification and you'll be up to date. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.